So what I have here today is a lighter, actually two lighters. It's called a star lighter. It's a Zippo star lighter, a Zippo style lighter. It comes in a black tin box. I have one lighter in chrome and one in black. See, that'll be good for a logo imprint in the front there, if that's what you need. So this is the chrome we are packing out here. It is a nice little gift case. Perfect product for giveaways. And a little warning instruction. It's traditional Zippo style, with the flint, and you fill the lighter fluid at the bottom. You pull the insert out and fill the lighter fluid at the bottom. I'll do that in a little bit. Just gonna show you it. It feels sturdy and well made, really well made. And again, the black lighter and the insert there, it folds out, so you can read all the scary warnings there and how to fill up the lighter. You could probably imprint on the lighter itself as well as imprinting outside of the tin, the lid. If that's what you're going to use the lighter for. I'm not. I just using them around outside in my kitchen, lighting the grill, campfire, etc. Yeah, see, lift the felt. I never do that. You lift the fill up to fill it up. I just fill down on top of. See, Zippo lighter fluid, lighter fuel is what we're gonna use. I always use that. And I just fill in top of the filter. You can lift that little filter up, the little white filter you see in the top. And then you have some cotton stuff down there to absorb the liquid. But this is what I do. Put it on back in the case, and I don't turn the light on. I don't light it before I have the lighter fluid off my fingers. I have that now, and you can see there's still a little lighter fluid left in the lid, but it's a good weatherproof lighter, that's for sure. Very inexpensive. I bought mine from MyTech Trading. Please subscribe, and I'll see you guys again later.